Summer gets hot. A cool car is a happy car. Here are some essential tips for keeping your vehicle's air conditioning in tip-top shape. Tip number 1, start your AC early. Turn on the air conditioning as soon as you start the car to cool the cabin quickly. Tip number 2, regularly check your AC system. Have a professional inspect the refrigerant levels and overall condition of your AC unit before the heat hits. Tip number 3, clean the vents. Dust and debris can block airflow. Use a small brush or cloth to keep vents clean for maximum efficiency. Tip number 4, replace the cabin air filter. A clean filter ensures good airflow and air quality inside your car. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement schedule. Tip number 5, use sunshades. When parked, sunshades can keep your car cooler, reducing the load on your AC when you get back on the road. Keep your cool this summer with these simple air conditioning tips. Drive comfortably and enjoy the journey.